Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And we have the great pleasure of bringing to market this incredible Mercedes-Benz. So what we have in front of us here is a CLS300dh AMG Line Night Edition with a Premium Plus package. I'll be taking you through as much of that equipment as I can on this video, but this vehicle has an absolutely huge list of specification, so please do get in touch and ask us any questions and we will be happy to help. So this vehicle comes to us finished in the Selenite Grey Metallic with a full black leather upholstery. And it's covered only 9,594 miles, has that superb specification and an absolutely incredible condition. So some of the specification on this vehicle includes items such as the LED high performance headlight system, along with Mercedes-Benz Park Assist, which is front and rear sensors with self parking. That's an audible and visual system, and the vehicle has a full surround 360-degree camera for all of those parking needs. Now this vehicle also has £1,695 worth of a driving assistance package to add to that incredible list of specification already. And again, we'll be happy to explain exactly what that driving assistance package entails. Now we also have a head-up display, the full widescreen cockpit we'll see inside the vehicle in just a moment with full Hey Mercedes voice control, a sliding glass sunroof, which also has a blind to cover up for privacy. We have a Burmester sound system, which is incredible quality for sound. 3-stage memory package for both driver and passenger, and those seats are both heated, of course. Full keyless operation, we'll see working in just a moment. A 64 colour ambient lighting. These incredible 20-inch Mulitspoke AMG alloy wheels with a gloss black centre and the diamond cut outer edge. And of course, being the night edition, we have the gloss black trim elements such as the wing mirror, the weather strip round the window, and that privacy glass tying it all in together incredibly well. So let's have a look inside the vehicle and we can see all of that equipment in its glory. So first and foremost, the keyless operation. Now the keys are just in my pocket at present, and if the outside of each handle is swiped, we can see there the mirrors coming in, the vehicle now locked, and as long as you're within a metre of this door handle, you're able to touch the inside, and that's now unlocked and ready to go. And of course we can see here just how incredible that ambient light looks. I'll be popping the ignition back on in a moment so we can see that. So that full black leather upholstery with the sports seats, contrast silver stitching which runs right across the top of the dashboard as well, and the black ash wood trim running right down the centre console, creating an incredible contrast of materials. Now this is the new style steering wheel for Mercedes-Benz with the flat bottom and the multifunction, and of course the driving assistance package. This vehicle will accelerate, brake and steer itself, and we'll happily give you more information about that. Over this side here is where we see the memory package for driver, exactly the same on the passenger side, and that Burmester sound system, which is absolutely incredible. Now the widescreen cockpit and the full touchscreen operation on this vehicle, you'll be amazed at the amount of features that can be operated just by talking to the car. We can see up top the sunroof, and that will tilt and slide, and as mentioned, that blind that will cover. I'm just going to pop some ignition on the vehicle, and this is where we can see the ambient lighting, currently selected as a red and yellow, but as mentioned there are 64 different colour options for this. In the rear of the vehicle, being a coupe, there is an incredible amount of space for rear seat passengers. They have their own separate ventilation, along with power supplies and various media connections. So yes, we are incredibly proud to be having a vehicle looking as stunning as this, with this mileage, condition and specification, and we're pleased to be able to offer this to you. So here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every one of our customers and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. As we can see from the banner in the background there, if you have any funding requirements, we can speak with our panel of lenders and search to get you the very best deal. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have our partners at Warranty Wise on hand to provide us with up to 3 years worth of market-leading aftermarket warranties. And of course, if you'd like to keep your vehicle looking like you see here on the video, we have Autoglim's Life Shine treatment, which is a liquid carbon-based technology designed to bond with the paintwork and the exterior glass on the vehicle. And on the interior, should that be leather or cloth upholstery, also gets treated by our professionals. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If there are any details that we've missed, please do let us know, and we'll happily come back to you and provide you with another personal video, or of course get those details to you over the telephone. Thank you once again, and we'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations. Bye for now.